Take out 2 low-frequency antennas. Installed separately on the rear windshield and the front windshield. Install the lockhead retaining plate. Product OBD is to be plugged into the vehicle's socket for connection. Insert the product bus plug into the corresponding position of the lockhead. Disassemble the remote control. Weld the key together. Install the original vehicle remote control into the corresponding position inside the host. Install the welded keys into the motherboard. Install and tighten with screws. Close the main unit casing. Connect the mobile phone module.